How to change your email address on Facebook. In this video, you will learn how to change either your primary email or the email address associated with your Facebook account. And if you find this helpful, please do well to like and subscribe. Alright, so open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Go to the menu bar, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Click on the gear icon. You are provided with the Meta Account Center. Click on See More in Account Center. Under the account settings, click on Personal Details. Your personal details is provided. Click on Contact Info with the email. Take note that before you can delete your old email, you need to add a new email. So at the bottom, click on Add New Contact. Click on Add Email. Then enter your email address, the new email address you would like to add to your account. Enter it in the email address field there and click on the account you would like to use and click on Next. Once you do this, another page will open for you to re-enter your Facebook password to ensure you are the one taking this action and you are the Facebook account owner. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Enter the code and confirm. Then your new email address has been added. Now, to delete the old email address, go back to Contact Info, click on the email address you want to delete and click on Delete Email. Once you do this, your old email address will be deleted. So this process works for both to add a new email address and to delete the old email address. I hope you found this video helpful. Do well to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.